Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Streak. I've made a video on how to farm Streak. Now is on this video now is on how to connect your wallet, you understand? So we are in epoch 1 now. So if you are seeing this video, you are lucky. So here is the tweet they made. Today is Sunday, 26th November. So they said Streak wallet submission are now live. You see that? Please connect before Monday, 27th November, 3 p.m. East, which is around 9 p.m. tomorrow, being Monday in Nigeria by Nigerian time. You understand? So I'll be leaving this link on this video description now. So if you have not connected, if you have not been farming, click on the link and get started. There is no referral, I understand. So I made a video on how to farm. So see the video and then get started. So this one now is on how to connect your wallet. So I'm going to go to my account, you understand? It said wallet submission are now open. So I'll copy this link now and go to my wallet. Go to my D browser, or better still, I can use the same browser I used to connect my X account. But for everything to be easy for me, I'll just use a D browser. So remember to use a Bona wallet. So I'm going to copy this link now. So guys, I'm going to paste the link now. I'm using my D browser, understand? So if you are using your D browser, you copy the link and paste it. But if you are not using your D browser, if you are using Mezzo browser, it's fine. If you are using Chrome, good, you understand? So why I'm using D browser is for the thing to be easy for me, so that I can connect my wallet easily, you understand, without internet failure or glitch, you understand? So I'm going to click on go now. So please share this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel, we'll talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. So if you are here to join my channel, I have a Telegram channel. So I'll be leaving the link on this video description. You understand? And for my returning subscribers, thanks for support and thanks for stopping by. So it's actually loading, guys. So if you have not been farming, get to work, understand? Remember, don't fade anything, guys. Don't fade anything. If you missed tip airdrop, if you missed ratio and all that, this one is for you, guys. You understand? So this is how to connect your wallet. So stay tuned, it's actually loading. So once you get it, will show you this interface. You need to log into your account, you understand? You need to be on the dashboard, understand, before you can be able to connect your wallet. So stay tuned. Remember to use your Bona wallet. Create a new wallet on your wallet. Create a new wallet. Don't connect a wallet that you have an asset to. Don't connect your main wallet, guys. Use a Bona wallet, you understand? A wallet that doesn't have any asset, you understand? You don't have anything in it, you understand? Just use a new wallet, you understand? So I'm connecting my Ethereum wallet, you understand? So it didn't make any specific network, so I'll be connecting my EVM wallet, you understand? So until claim day, then we get to know. So this is the dashboard, and for you to see the wallet connection, you need to click get these two stuff off now. This Streak follow our new account. Remember, their account was suspended, but they got a new one, and now they have gold tick, you understand what I mean? So we need to get rid of these two things now before we will see the wallet connect. So we'll click on it and then click on it again to be off, you understand? So here is it. Just click on it. It will try to redirect you to their S account. You click back and then you click again. It will try to redirect you to their Telegram channel. Then you click back. The two of them will be off. Why that notification is actually showing you is for you to follow their original social media handles, you understand? So this is the wallet connect at the upper side, you can see it there. So we click on connect wallet now. Then we're actually going to click on MetaMask. You understand? So do you see that automatically now my wallet is connected, guys? You can see that. Can you see that at the upper side, the left hand side? Do you see that my wallet is connected? Change wallet. I don't need to change wallet. Do you see how easy it is? So now my wallet is actually showing there. And the thing here is for the points calculates like every 24 hours they will add your points here. You can see that I actually started farming. Was it not yesterday? Yes. So I was like, I'm just like, you need to be conscious if you are farming. Farm with caution. You understand? Remember, you have not claimed your tip airdrop, your ratio airdrop, meme airdrop is also coming. If you farm the meme, you know what I mean. So protect your X account. Is your life. You just protect it like your life depends on it. Just farm with caution. That's what I have to say. You understand? So, guys, that will be all for now. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel. If there is any other thing, I'll like let you guys know. If you have any question, join my channel. Drop your question. I'll answer you. Do you understand? So that will be all for now, guys. And to farm this streak now, I made a video about it. So go see the video. I'll be leaving this link on this video description now. So guys, get to work, farmers. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.